The Ribhoi District Cricket Association had organized its second blood donation camp today, the 19th of April 2022, at the outdoor premises of the Civil Hospital Blood Bank, NONGPOH. It may be informed that the first camp organized by the association had taken place on Meghalaya Day on the 21st of January 2022. Cricket players and members of the association, including its president Reynald Kharkamni, were part of a team of donors at the camp. While expressing their delight at having been able to once again donate their blood to the hospital, the players also hoped the same will be a blessing to those in need of help. The young players at the same time encouraged the youth to come forward as donors in order to help patients in need of blood.
Kanya kadai kawat kabaar bangi donate blood hangni kabala organize na RBDCA but kabaningkong kawat baningkong kila na donate au banai Januari arpoi tarik hasngi Meghalaya dia de yakatu la organize lembaga MCA de ngina kaliang RBDCA ngilawan ban donate hangni de but ka minsa don biang ka jing donate blood haki banai banwan akum ta terdet but aku akan encourage ki nak samla jangi ba kinwan ban ai snam hangni ane hanono ka blood bank iru namar ba kalong healthy nam ta kamet jangi de kanyara puru ekiwai.
Second batch of blood donation which is done by RBDCA. The first batch was done by Meghalaya Cricket Association. So we are happy to give blood since it's a very good work, social work, and at the same time I think blood donation is very good in social.